soon-to-be brides. I'm here today to chat about something super exciting, choosing the perfect hair accessory for your big day. Now, I know with all the planning, this might seem like just another detail, but trust me, it can totally transform your bridal look. First things first, let's consider your hairstyle. Are you dreaming of a soft romantic updo or flowing loose curls? The style you choose will hugely influence the type of accessory that works best. For example, a delicate hair vine or a few well-placed pearl pins look stunning in a tousled updo, while a more structured tiara or headband could be perfect if you're going for a sleek, pulled-back style. Next up, think about the theme of your wedding. Is it a rustic barn affair or a glamorous city event? Your accessory should complement the vibe. A floral comb fits beautifully with a garden wedding, while a sparkling diamond clip might be just the ticket for a luxe hotel setting. Now let's talk materials and color. Traditional brides might lean towards classic pearls and crystals, but there's so much room to be unique. How about something in rose gold or even a touch of color to match your bouquet? Just make sure the tones work well with your dress. If you're wearing ivory, warmer golds and blush tones can be really flattering. Also, it's important to consider comfort. Remember, you'll be wearing this piece all day. Ensure it's securely fastened and won't require constant adjusting. The last thing you want is to be fiddling with your hair during your I-dos. Lastly, don't rush your decision. Try on different styles with your hairstyle and dress if possible. Take photos from different angles and see how they look. It's not just about how gorgeous an accessory is up close. It's about how it complements your overall silhouette and style. So there you have it. Keep these tips in mind and you're sure to find a stunning hair accessory that not only enhances your beauty, but also adds that special personal touch to your wedding day look. Happy planning, and remember, it's all about feeling like the best version of yourself on your special day. Choosing the right wedding hair accessory doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just take it one step at a time and have fun with it. After all, this is your day to shine.